we wanted to give out. So one day we came up with the idea. I think it was after my father had a fire in the grocery. Everybody who joins the shir is getting a Frigge Mure. But I needed money.
But you didn't realize how big it's going to be. You thought 10 Gemuras, 20,
10
30.
Gemuras, yeah. And then I needed money for this also. So Ben Schwartz came over to me. I reached out to him and said, I want to give Frigge Mures. So he gave me a check from $1,800, but we didn't have a bank account to deposit the check.
Wow.
So
Because
I have a check.
MBY.
So I'm going to write it out to Art Scroll.
Right.
Called up Art, I have a check. So basically we gave them $1,800. We got Frigge Mures. Now we have to ship it.
Yeah.
And then came all over the world where I had to go. So it became a crazy operation, which this is a separate subject.
When was the time he said, okay, we need a CEO for this whole thing? And who said it?
So
and
first we opened up
you?
a bank account, then we started getting involved. And I guess I was so involved that more and more. So automatically Rebelli said, you know what? We have to have a pilot.
Yeah.
And whatever, co-pilots, whatever you call it. Because otherwise it's not going to...
I have a lot of new friends.